Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channels. Today we are unboxing LG gaming monitor. LG company is a very good super company for the monitors. Best quality monitors they are producing, and they give very good service also. 3 years warranty. Anything happens because of power failure and any other things, they will replace the monitor. They will repair or replace. 100% genuine company. Servicing of the products also very good. Now we purchased this product from Amazon Prime, amazon.com. Amazon.com is one of the best online seller in the world. We seen purchasing products with so many other companies. Some companies are sending seconds and damaged goods, but Amazon.com, they are never selling third grade products, or they are not cheating anyone. That's why we believe in Amazon.com. The costly items like monitors and costly mobiles, you have to be very careful while purchasing. You should purchase with the genuine company like Reliance, Amazon, Tata Groups, or any other good company. You purchase it. But some fraud companies are there online. Be careful while purchasing costly items. Now we are unboxing LG gaming monitor. Till now, online we purchase only electronics items, only we purchase in Amazon.com or Reliance. See, these are all the details of the LG monitor.
This is LG's new Ultra Gear Edition gaming monitor.
In this monitor, you have a graphical G-Sync facility. It gives very good HD quality. Very good HD quality display you will get. That's why you have to see, when you are purchasing a gaming monitor, graphic card G-Sync option should be there.
Hello guys, this is Yadunandan. Now I am going to unbox this new LG Ultra Gear monitor from Amazon. In this monitor we will get a stand. This is the stand which is very heavy. Guys, this is the stand which have LG provided to us. Let us keep it aside and unbox the other things. This is the power cable, and now this is the display port, and which helps to get 144 Hz from this monitor. And this is the cable management holder. It looks like this. this is the power brick to the monitor. Guys, LG has provided us a CD and there is no use of it right now. And this is a clip. This is the user manual which is given by LG, and it is very important to make this monitor. Let's keep it aside. And this is the monitor arm which is very heavy. It's almost 2 kg.
Yes, because monitor is 27-inch very big, so stand also should be strong, otherwise monitor
Let's
will
unbox
fall.
this stand.
So many people, if you go and ask gaming monitor, they will give 50 Hz gaming monitor. In that gaming monitor you
See
cannot
guys,
play
this is the stand
game properly.
and it is very huge. I will show you how to put it inside the monitor. And now this is the main part of this.
Keep that CD.
And this CD and the everything is very important, so keep it inside the box itself. And this is the main thing of this package. It's the main monitor, which is very heavy. And this is the monitor which comes with HD 144 Hz and IPS panel with NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. Let's keep it aside and let's show you this monitor. Guys, this is the new LG monitor. How is this monitor? It's G-Sync compatible monitor. So now I'm going to show you how to install the stand to the monitor heart. Guys, this is the